So this is the hinge joint. It's a knee joint. It's formed between three bones: the femur, which is this one, the fibula, and the tibia. The joint can only move in the transverse plane, and it allows flexion and extension. Oops. This is the patellar ligament, this one here. This is your patella. Your meniscus covers the bones. It's a layer of cartilage. There's the posterior and anterior cruciate ligament in the back, and the medial and lateral ligaments, collateral ligaments. And as I said again, it can only move in one plane.